Hey guys, it's Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. It's super early in the morning right now. I'm with my brother Vikram and we are on our way to go trekking. So we made it to the spot from where we're gonna start trekking. You've probably seen this on my channel before. I've been to this spot so many times. Even growing up, I've been here countless times. But anyway, for a while I've been wanting to just go on a hike in the morning with Vikram, and it's been raining the entire week, so we haven't been able to do that. Last night also it was raining, but finally it looks like things have cleared up. So excited for this morning. So that's where we start our hike from. Look at all this greenery.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart.
Wow, look at how green this is.
Whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Check out this view. So peaceful and so green. So over here you can see a lot of velour, and we're just seeing how far we can go up this hill. We're gonna try to go up till that palm tree.
Filled with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
So we've made it to the spot we wanted to come to, and this is the view from here. So we're just going to be sitting and chilling here for a bit and enjoy this view.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
So I don't know if you know this about Vellore, but Vellore is actually surrounded by tons of hills. So this is just one of the more popular hills where people go hiking, but there are lots of hills here where you can go hiking, and yeah, like you can see, we can just see hills all around us, so it's a really beautiful view. So we're just trying to figure out the layout of Vellore. So that in that direction is where our house is. This here is the Vellore jail, and I think in that direction is where the Golden Temple is, which is something Vellore is famous for.
I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had
So it's past 9 a.m. now, and we've just been sitting and chilling here. It's been a really nice morning, but we're gonna head back down now and probably go out for breakfast as well.
more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone?
So we ended up coming out for breakfast, and we're eating at this restaurant. It's actually in a hotel. The hotel is called Darling Residency, and I think growing up this was like my favorite restaurant. It's a really old hotel in the sense that it's been here since I was a kid. But yeah, I've ordered dosa for myself. Vikram is having some sambar vada, and this dosa is looking so good, so let's dig right in.
Dreaming of you.
Done with breakfast, and right now I'm about to go and get an RT-PCR test done for myself. So I'll tell you why later when I'm back home. In fact, I have a bunch of updates to give you guys. So when I'm back home, I'm gonna sit down and share all of those updates with you. But let's get going right now. I'm back home, showered, feeling super clean, and I just thought I'll quickly sit and talk to you guys because I feel like I haven't really chatted and told you what's been happening. So I have a bunch of different updates to share. So first things first, I didn't post a video on YouTube last week. The last few months I've been trying to post once a week, but right now I'm working on a project which I've spoken about before. Basically, I'm launching a course soon where you can sort of learn YouTubing from me. There's going to be a live element to the course as well, so you'll get to interact with me. And yeah, that's just been taking so much of my time. Because I'm not really traveling at the moment, I just thought I'll take time to properly work on that course and launch it. It's gonna launch in a couple of weeks and there are limited spots, so the first people to hear about this course will be the people who are part of my VIP email list. So if you want to join that, there's a link down below. Click on that and sign up for it, and as soon as the course launches, you'll be the first to hear about it. If you're new to YouTube or if you're not interested in buying a course, I also have a free course which I've already put up. So if you want to sign up for that, that may not be around forever. We already have close to 5,000 people who've done that course. So if you want to sign up for that and get access to it, I'll leave that link down below as well. So do check that out. So yeah, that's just what has been keeping me busy. I'm not like taking a break. I have been working, just not really been working on YouTube so much. So for the next 2 or 3 weeks, I probably won't be posting much. I just thought I'll come and let you know before I suddenly disappear. I will try to post if possible, maybe more casual stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'll give you this heads up. Secondly, my dad recently started his own YouTube channel. It's on personal finance and it's called Investing with Sharad. So since so many of you requested for personal finance videos with my dad, I sort of convinced him to start his own channel. He's posted 2 videos so far. So if you're interested in personal finance and investing, definitely subscribe to his channel. So that's another thing that's been keeping me busy because I'm the one who's helping him film and edit his videos. But it's really exciting. This is where he films his videos. That's the setup with the books in the back. And yeah, it's kind of cool to have a YouTuber dad now. So this is like a new exciting journey for us. Thirdly, a lot of people in my comments, my Instagram DMs keep asking me when I'm going to start traveling, where I'm traveling to next and all of that. I totally get it because so many people have already started traveling and posting travel content, and I miss making travel vlogs. I know a lot of you miss watching them as well. But if I'm being completely honest, I still don't feel very safe to be traveling. There's a very real possibility of a third wave happening, and I don't know how I feel about promoting tourism right now. I feel like it's a very tricky situation because I know how badly the travel industry is affected as well. So of course people need to travel for a lot of people to make a living. So I'm not saying don't travel, but if you're traveling, please do it responsibly. That's all I can say. And as for me, I think I'll only plan trips to make travel vlogs after I'm fully vaccinated. Right now, I've gotten my first dose. My second dose is due, I think, in 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks. So once I get my second dose, then I can maybe look at planning trips depending on what the situation then is like. But having said that, I did get my RT-PCR test done today because I am going to Mumbai this week. It's a work trip, so it's not really like an entertaining trip. But if you'd like me to vlog, I wasn't really planning on vlogging, but if you want to watch the vlog, let me know. I'm not sure like what exactly I'll vlog, but I am staying in a really nice hotel. So if you just want to watch like a very chill vlog, comment and let me know. I'll vlog it. But yeah, I'm just going for a couple of days. It's for something that I couldn't really avoid. So that trip is happening. But yeah, after that, I'm just gonna wait before I actually plan any trips as such. So since so many of you keep asking, I thought I'll come on here and tell you guys. So those were some quick updates I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, I won't be very active on YouTube the next like 3 weeks or so. So if you want to see what I'm up to in life, you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like. And speaking of Instagram, yesterday I put up a story that I did a bit of shopping online, and so many of you DM me and asked me to do like a quick haul. So I've bought like a bunch of clothes. I'm going to quickly show you what all I got. I feel like I haven't done a haul in so long, but recently there was like a sale on H&M and Zara, so I ended up buying some stuff. Nothing major, but I'll quickly show you what all I got. So I got this top from Zara. I really liked the color, so I picked it up. Next is this dress. It's like a plain black dress, so nothing special, but yeah, it just feels really comfortable and I was on sale, so I picked it up. Then I picked up another tank top. This one is from H&M. Next I got this top, which is I think my favorite from the entire shopping. It looks and fits really well, and yeah, this was also on sale. It's for 1790 and I think I got it for like 900 rupees. So yeah, I really like this top. The next dress is kind of weird because it's literally in the same material as a towel, and I'll show it to you, but I clearly didn't do a good job of like checking what the actual thing will look like. But yeah, it's a really bright neon pink dress. But yeah, I don't know where I'll wear it. It's literally in the material of a towel. I don't know if this is a thing now, but it does feel really comfortable. I don't know if I will ever wear this outside, but yeah, it's a really comfortable dress. I could wear it at home. And lastly, I got this one dress from H&M. It's super crumpled, but this is what it looks like. So there's like a knot in the front and a knot in the back. And yeah, I think this looks really cute. Hopefully when travel does happen, I can wear all of these clothes. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. I was mostly just gonna vlog the trek in the morning, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!